Okay, we're online. Oh, there we go. Carrying the message. Me and Lou stream, and it's all working out, and it's all fine indeed. Are you seeing this through YouTube?
Sorry, I got distracted. I'm back on it. Back on it.
So your computer is like getting fixed at the moment?
Not even. This is my 4th time taking it to the Apple store. And they always say like, oh yeah, there's literally no problem with your laptop or your charger. But sometimes it acknowledges that it's getting plugged in, but it doesn't charge at all.
Do you reckon that you're gonna have to try to get a new one?
Maybe. I don't know. We don't have the funding to do it.
Fuck, having money to get a computer is always a nightmare. Okay. Wait, can we do a test recently? Wait. I know, Donna, I know. Donna really wants to go to the loo, so she's like looking at me like.
Okay, I'm looking at your live stream.
Yeah? Okay. Check out the text if you put it like on a large screen or something.
I'm gonna send you a screenshot. You can see stream duration. Ruben. Hi.
Where's the link? That's blurry. That's super blurry. You can more or less get an idea of what people are talking about, but like, how does the application site looks? I'm gonna see if I can send you an email or something. Where are we? How do you read that?
Wait, hold on. I can read the large fonts.
Oh, the tiny ones are super tiny, so it's gonna be tough.
Mm-hmm.
But you know, like in the other one, when we write live stream with different links every time, um, the quality was really good.
Mm-hmm.
Like you could see every time. What do we do?
We could either increase the fonts for our computer to like 25.
And we will have to acknowledge the fact that we're doing this in pro of the fact that we're going to be staring at it, because that will be consciously making an alteration to our interaction in order for it to be accessible to others.
Yeah.
But then the whole inauguration day where we're gonna, we were meant to be texting. When are we gonna do that?
Can bring up, I mean, I'm sure all the apps have like increased font size. Or I could be very wrong on this.
Could just we could just increase the font of the overall computer.
Mm-hmm. That's what I'm suggesting if we decide to keep Restream. And I'm just, I mean, there was like simple 3 steps on how to embed your YouTube live stream link to a website. But I didn't know like the capability, or I guess who's actually managing this site and if they have any background in like coding, because it did involve very simple like addition to HTML. No, okay.
I would not trust that situation. Although I have a friend who is actually, we can ask Eddie, or I have some friends here that actually do coding. But maybe I could ask. I'm gonna see throughout the day if that's a possibility. Let's see if I can get the whole font size thing. Essentially, that's what we want, right? Massive letters.
Massive letters.
Let's see. System preferences.
I'm gonna Google if we can.
Okay. Go onto YouTube. How do you see the text now?
Okay, nothing changed other than your screen got smaller. That's so bizarre.
My screen got smaller, but the font got larger. What the? Can you see the email?
No, the font didn't increase on my end. I mean, I guess because your screen got chopped in half.
Why did my screen get chopped?
That's so weird. What? Oh, okay, now it got bigger.
What got bigger, the screen or the letters?
The screen.
Okay. This doesn't work. Okay. Hmm. Is that the website that you kind of like looked into? 3 simple steps to embed live stream video to your website?
Yeah, that one. 3 simple steps.
3 simple steps.
3 simple steps on how to do this coding. I think there was a better one. Hold on, let me just send you the link to that.
I don't understand. How is that? Is it that easy? Because like, would it stream constantly in the same link? I don't.
I mean, if it's not the same link, it's useless for them to be like, here's how to embed your live stream. So I just assumed that it would be the same link every time.
Okay, permanent URL. If you only have one stream in your account, we recommend using a permanent URL so your link does not change if you need to recreate the stream. Get the channel ID from, not the user ID. Change the code to use the channel ID. Oh, that's the whole coding stuff. I think I may be able to get help from a friend here.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I reckon what we should do is that maybe we should say I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe we should change back to where we were.
Yeah.
So like back to just using plainly OBS, and then let me see if I can get my friend to help us with the whole encoding thing. And if we can get that sorted,
yeah,
then
yeah, I mean,
fantastic. And then if we can't, then we don't.
Yeah, if we can do that, there's really no purpose of using Restream at all. So yeah, if that can be done, solves our problem.
Yeah, that should solve our problem. And on top of that, we have like so much time of exhibition that I'm not way too fussed by things currently not being perfect. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna email Ruben and be like, you know what? I think I'm gonna try to find a way for us to to fix the situation.
Yeah.
Because in theory it was really simple, but we didn't really account for the fact that the link was going to change every time until very last minute. So, yeah. Wait, let me stop with OBS.